welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a really boring update for Partners in Cream, and this is the final update before the finale next month. And yeah, it's not very exciting because I only have 4 products in and I have no empties, which is sad. It is very sad. But if you want the details about this project, it is Partners in Cream. It is all like cream, liquid kind of products, anything basically that's not a powder, and it's makeup. It started on January 10th. It will go till December 10th, and it was created by Steph Lyons and Delynn. She is Outward Processing, and both of them are amazing ladies, amazing painters, and they're both so sweet. They really are, and we are bringing this back next year. I'm very excited about that. Woohoo! I know there's tons of people that are doing this project this year, and there's so many others that said that they want to join in next year, so I'm very excited for that. I believe it's going to be starting again on January 10th, but I will let you know if that changes or if I am wrong about that by the finale, because I'm sure we will be I can't talk. I am sure we will be discussing that before we do our finales. So, yeah, my 4 products. The first one is actually a duo product from e.l.f. It is a cream shadow stick. I did not roll it all the way up. I didn't use that side at all. Not at all. I've been working on tons of other stuff, and I know this is not something that I could finish by the finale, and is not something that I can finish by the end of the year, so I did not prioritize it. And, yeah, it's pretty sad. The other side is the liner in Plum. That is not rolled all the way up. I used this once. I didn't even bother to draw a line because even if it moved, it probably would be right next to the current line where I started. Not worth it. Yeah, pretty dismal. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This next product I use every single day that I do makeup, which is pretty much every day now. It's a rare day that I go without, but it does happen. This is the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse, and I'm already wearing off the stuff. I don't have any way to track progress because you can't see the, you know, through the packaging here. And it doesn't weigh enough that it's going to change a whole lot of weight. So I'm trying to see. It's 0.07 fluid ounces. That's not a lot of product. It's not going to change a whole lot. My scale is not that detailed. So, yeah, you can't even see any progress on this. But rest assured, I am using it every single time I do makeup. I have no other, like, brow gel mousse kind of stuff. I gotta say, I will continue to use this, but I have mentioned this, I think, in my makeup basket. I don't love it. I don't love it at all. I don't feel like it gives me the hold that I like from a gel. And it kind of like balls up. If I'm not careful, it will ball up, so I have to like keep brushing it through to try to get like those little balls or pills or whatever you want to call them out of my brows, and that's kind of annoying. It takes a lot longer than it should, and your brows take forever anyway if you're careful, and you have to fill in because you don't have the greatest eyebrows to begin with. So yeah, not loving it, and I can't even show you progress. But this last one I'm actually wearing today. This is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner, and I believe this is Piggy Bank. Yes, this is Piggy Bank. Can you see? I got the color thing going on. I actually have this in my waterline today. I love this, and when it's gone, I'm going to want it again. I'm not going to roll it all the way up because I'm just concerned that it's going to break. I am not the most delicate person in the world. I am a girly tomboy, and I can be a little rough at times. I'm going to admit it. I can be a little rough at times. So I am going to show you my progress here. You can see all of these lines. I was at this dark blue line last update, and now I'm at this light blue line. So there was actually a big jump there, and I had worn quite a bit of like pinks and purples and stuff, and I just love this on my waterline. But I recently started wearing this actually on my upper lash line, so it's going a little bit quicker now that I'm using it in that capacity. It's not going to be done by the finale next month, but the fact that I have increased my usage makes me really happy. I know I can end up finishing it next year. It's just not going to get done this year. It's going to be okay. I already know what project I'm going to put it in, so it is going to get done next year. But I do still want to make some more progress on it before the finale. So those are my 4 products rolled up into 3. I know, it's kind of crazy. Don't expect much from the e.l.f. Duo product. Again, the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse, I'm going to keep using it, but it really is kind of an uneventful product. I probably should not have put it in this project. It should just have gone into like a year-long project and, you know, like set it and forget it. Just work on it, and it's a non-issue until it's empty. But Piggy Bank, I'm happy with my progress, and hopefully I will have even more progress for you by the finale. All right, everyone that has joined in, they're in a playlist down there, and like I said, it's coming back next year, so be on the lookout for that. More info, I'm sure, is going to be coming up in the finale. And yeah, I think that is about everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.